again, my lovely gardening friends. How are you today? I'm Mark. I'm a biotech geek and your gardening freak. Today I would simply like to discuss very briefly about the relevance of talking about microorganisms, because you see, in these very hard COVID times, is it really a good idea to talk about microbes and microorganisms? Well, it is. It's always been like that. This is the world we live in. The COVID virus is just a newcomer in the natural microflora of the human being, and it is slowly adapting itself in order to be part of our respiratory system, or being part of our own biology. And well, I mean, these are very special times indeed, but hey, the same thing happens with every kind of living organism on this beautiful planet, which is our one and only miraculous home in the entire universe, because we live in a microbial world. So for instance, when we talk about the microorganisms that live with plants, well, most of them, like 99% of them, those microorganisms that we find in soils, well, they don't really participate in the life of the plant per se. So only 1 or 2% of the soil microflora is involved directly in the biology of the plant itself, and only a very fraction of them are pathogens, and they are very well known to science. But something extremely important is this symbiosis that occurs between land plants and the soil. So you see it in beautiful orchids such as those butterfly orchids. You see them in vines like these, for instance, and you see that in spider plants like this one, and you see it also with Valerie, my lovely banana tree. Are you happy with your little microorganisms, Valerie dear? Yes, absolutely. She knows that she absolutely needs those beneficial microorganisms that are found in the soil. It has always been like that since the first seaweed started to invade the continents of the earth. That was 450 million years ago. That wasn't yesterday. And in order to encourage this wonderful symbiosis, well, look no further than treating your plants regularly with the BIOPONIX soil conditioner, because the microorganisms that you find in this very special preparation are especially selected in order to interact with those beneficial microorganisms in the soil that will feed your plants 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, year-round, without hesitation. That's exactly what they do, and this explains the fantastic success that we have by using the BIOPONIX soil conditioner, and also by combining the soil conditioner with the BIOPONIX liquid plant nutrients. So together they work perfectly well to make sure that the soil is alive. And when the soil is alive, well, look at how lovely your orchids will bloom. Look at how beautiful your vines will grow, and your tropical plants will grow. Something wonderful. So this is it. Your plants will just go bonkers for their weekly dose of BIOPONIX soil conditioner. So it's very natural. It's always been like that, and we simply enhance this process by the strategy of biomimicry. This is the scientific term that describes what you do when you recreate the natural habitat of plants in the soil. So Thank you for your attention, and please share those videos. We have to spread the word about the importance of the living soils, because it is the agriculture of tomorrow that's available right now, and it gives a green thumb to absolutely everyone, whether you're a beginner or a professional. So there you have it. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for sharing my videos, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.